What is an initial coin offering, ICO? An initial coin offering is the cryptocurrency industry's equivalent to an initial public offering, IPO. A company seeking to raise money to create a new coin, app, or service can launch an ICO as a way to raise funds. Interested investors can buy into an initial coin offering to receive a new cryptocurrency token issued by the company. This token may have some utility related to the product or service that the company is offering, or it may just represent a stake in the company or project. Initial coin offerings are a popular way to raise funds for products and services usually related to cryptocurrency. ICOs are similar to initial public offerings, but coins issued in an ICO can also have utility for a software service or product. Some ICOs have yielded massive returns for investors. Numerous others have turned out to be fraudulent or have performed extremely poorly. To participate in an ICO, you usually need to first purchase a more established digital currency, plus have a basic understanding of cryptocurrency wallets and exchanges. ICOs are, for the most part, completely unregulated, so investors must exercise a high degree of caution and diligence when researching and investing in ICOs. How an initial coin offering, ICO, works. When a cryptocurrency project wants to raise money through ICO, the project organizer's first step is to determine how they will structure it. ICOs can be structured in a few different ways, including static supply and static price. A company can set a specific funding goal or limit, which means that each token sold in the ICO has a preset price, and the total token supply is fixed. Static supply and dynamic price. An ICO can have a static supply of tokens and a dynamic funding goal. This means that the amount of funds received in the ICO determines the overall price per token. Dynamic supply and static price. Some ICOs have a dynamic token supply but a static price, meaning that the amount of funding received determines the supply. Alongside structuring the ICO, the crypto project usually creates a white paper, which it makes available to potential investors via a new website dedicated to the token. The promoters of the project use their white paper to explain important information related to the ICO. What the project is about. The need that the project would fulfill upon completion. How much money the project needs. How many of the virtual tokens the founders will keep. What type of payment, which currencies, will be accepted. How long the ICO campaign will run. The project releases the white paper as part of its ICO campaign, which it designs to encourage enthusiasts and supporters of the project buy some of the project's tokens. Investors can generally use fiat or digital currency to buy the new tokens, and it's increasingly common for investors to pay using other forms of crypto such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. These newly issued tokens are similar to shares of stock sold to investors during an IPO.